The principal of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Mukhla, Neeraj Kumar, today informed that the school was selected among the 22 schools in Meghalaya to implement the NEP for West Jaintia Hills district. This was announced in a press conference to account ahead of its third anniversary of the National Education Policy NEP 2020. During the conference, he announced that JNV has been selected under PM Shri Pradhan Mantri Schools for Rising India. The scheme will be redeveloped to reflect the key features of the new National Education Policy 2020. In Nongstoin, the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Nongstoin celebrated the 3 years National Education Policy on Wednesday. The event was organized by the school management and was attended by students, teachers and staff. Vice Principal Umesh Kumar highlighted the key features of the policy, such as its focus on holistic education, multidisciplinary learning and skill development.
First, the vision of NEP, as you all know that it is to transform India into a vibrant knowledge society and global knowledge superpower through broad-based, flexible, multidisciplinary education by developing